Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a wise and mysterious being named Supreme Leader Snoke. Snoke lived on a dark and stormy planet, surrounded by a deep, dark forest. He was known for his great power and his long, twisted fingers, which were said to be filled with untold wisdom. One day, a young girl named Elara, who lived in a nearby village, decided to venture into the forest to seek answers to her questions about the universe. As she walked deeper into the forest, she stumbled upon Supreme Leader Snoke, sitting peacefully on a large ancient stone. "Greetings, Elara," Snoke said in a deep, booming voice. "You have come to seek wisdom, I see." Elara nodded, her eyes wide with curiosity. "Yes, I have many questions about the universe and my place in it," she said. Snoke smiled and gestured for her to sit beside him. "Ask me your questions, Elara, and I will do my best to answer," he said. One by one, Elara asked her questions, and Snoke answered each one with knowledge and kindness. She learned about the Force, the stars, and the mysteries of the universe. As the sun began to set, Elara realized that it was time to go home. "Thank you, Supreme Leader Snoke," she said. "You have taught me so much." Snoke smiled and nodded. "Remember, Elara, the universe is full of wonders and mysteries, but always remember to seek knowledge and wisdom in all that you do." With a heart full of newfound knowledge, Elara returned to her village, ready to share what she had learned with her friends. And from then on, she was known as the wisest girl in the village, thanks to her encounter with Supreme Leader Snoke. And as for Snoke, he continued to live in his dark forest, waiting for the next curious traveler to come and seek his wisdom. The end.